A student speaks.
I know the welder was kind of intimidating at first, but again, like I said, it's kind of cool just, again, just making all that noise and just seeing like the sparks go everywhere and just melting the metal. So I definitely thought that was pretty cool to use because I normally wouldn't be using this kind of thing had I not taken this class.
A student puts on her welding jacket and gloves and a welding mask. Another student speaks.
It's been a process. Like I said, I'd never done anything like this before, and I really had to figure it out as I was going through, and I'm still learning, but it's fun. I really enjoy it. This might be one of my favorite classes I've taken here at IUK, honestly.
Another student reaches up a gloved hand to pull down a protective goggle as sparks fly. With masks to protect their faces, a student and Gregory Steel work on a welding project as sparks continue to fly. Another student speaks.
I don't know, I'm really into sculpture, and this is something that I haven't tried before. A lot of the stuff that I work with is more like textile or smaller scale and everything, so I don't know, it's something I could do to kind of push myself and try something new.
Students are shown spray painting their pieces with breathing masks on. Another student speaks.
Pipes have a cylinder shape to them, right? So you can move all around that surface with every angle imaginable. So you have these other pipes and you're connecting them and you're moving them around every different angles, and you're like, oh man, I just can't find it. And then that one moment when you just stop and you're like, hey, stop, hold that right there. Let me look back. And then you look back and you're like, that's great. That's just a great moment in life to where you're like, oh man, I just did something wonderful and I didn't even know what I was doing at that time.
Gregory Steel, Associate Professor of Fine Arts.
If I had to identify the most important part of this class, I would say that that's it. This idea of aesthetic intuition, right? Letting your intuition, your aesthetic sort of appreciation guide the process. Start to get in touch with that inner sort of intuitiveness, that aesthetic intuition that we all have, and to just learn to let that sort of come out.
The words "spark your interest" appear on the screen. Indiana University Kokomo, fulfilling the promise. iuk.edu/NMAT.